everybody, thanks for taking the time to check out Guaranty's website. Today we're going to go over a cool product that I really like. It's a 2019 Coachmen Apex 267 RKS. My name is Jason.Fairchild. I'm going to take you on a tour starting out on the inside. We'll finish out on the exterior. Come on inside. So we do have two doors to get into this trailer, which is always nice. Makes things convenient. This door here in the front is closer to your bedroom, so we'll start up there. It's actually got a lot of room in the bedroom. Plenty of space for moving around. If you need to change in here, you do have storage beneath the bed. And on each side and above as well. And this storage here goes completely across. So let's move down. I'll meet you in the bathroom. Here we've got a corner toilet, which works really well with the corner shower. Gives you lots of room for your legs. Plenty of space there in the shower. Little sink with a medicine cabinet and some storage below. Come on through here. We've got some cabinetry in the hallway here for a little additional storage. All your controls are in one place here with your thermostat below. Good storage here. It does have a hanging rod and then some more storage up here. Nice couch, cabinets above, TV right behind you there, and a nice U-shaped dinette there. Good for getting a lot of people around eating. And the cool thing about this trailer is your kitchen in the back. You're out of the way. You've got lots of room. Nice big sink with a large faucet. Good size oven. 3-burner stove. Microwave and hood combination. Big fridge freezer here. We've got the Dometic in this trailer. So we're going to go out, go over the exterior, and we'll finish up there. Follow me. So outside you can see this trailer has a really great look. The grays with the blues and the blacks. It's just a sharp looking trailer. It's got the frameless windows, which everybody seems to love. Got the outside speakers. Huge awning, runs practically the entire length of the trailer here. And it is an electric awning. In the back here we've got the full-size bumper. You've got, this is the back of the refrigerator, so really just access for a refrigerator technician if needed. Your exhaust for your furnace. It is pre-wired for a backup camera. There's your vent over the hood. And then this is a rear window in the kitchen. Okay, here on the driver's side corner we've got our water heater here. One of our 4 corner stabilizers down below. This is hot and cold running water for a shower here. This is your galley dump here, so this is just going to be for your galley sink. Up front this way we have your other gray and black dumps, your main gray and black dump here. So that's going to be for your sewer, your shower, and your other sink. Cable satellite here. Connection here for your power cord. This is where your city water will connect if you're staying in a park, and this is for black tank flush. After you've already dumped your tanks, you can hook a hose up here and help rinse everything out. If you're taking water with you, this is where you'll go if you're going to do some dry camping. Nice opening here. This is on a magnet to hold it up. Get some large items in there. And when you're done, I love these doors. They're called slam latch. You just drop them and they close. In the front, you do have a front cap which wraps completely around this trailer and helps protect it. That's a great feature. Electric tongue jack. Does have a little light in it as well. So we'll fill your propane. We're going to give you 2 batteries if you buy this trailer. We're going to give you a customer care kit. We get you all set up and ready to go camping. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Again, my name is Jason.Fairchild. You can reach me directly at 541-228-6057. Hope to hear from you soon, guys. Have a great day.